All right, look, you're a streamer, you want emotes. No problem. You got a face, right? No? You don't have a face? All right, no problem, fine. Do you have a cat? That'll do. Anything, really. Whatever you want. What you're gonna want to do is take a picture. Got that? Great. So now you're gonna have to go type in paint.net download or click the link in the bio, and you're gonna have to click on .pdn right here, this image, click on it, and then in the top right here, it's just that simple. All right, great. You downloaded Paint, right? And you opened it up, right? So now you have to take your picture and put it in Paint. So we've got our picture and it's pasted into Paint. So now we're gonna have to grab the lasso tool and we have to choose what we want. So we've got a dumb looking cat, so that's perfect for an emote. So you have to grab the lasso tool and make sure you go on to add so that you can make multiple cuts and it won't erase your last one. So once you've done that, all you have to do is select what you want the emote to be and start cropping it out. I like to leave a little bit around the outside so that you can go over it with the eraser and fine tune it, but it's up to you really how perfect you want it to be. But once you've got it selected, all you have to do is crop the selection. There you go. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna grab my eraser and I'm gonna touch it up and I'll show you. What we're gonna do is grab our select tool here and we're going to hold shift to make it a perfect square, which works well for the ratio of emotes. And we're going to fully select our emote, perfect. And now we're going to just move it over a bit here. And we're gonna hit crop to select again. There we go, it's a perfect square emote. So now that our emote is a perfect square, we can do whatever we want with it before we resize it. So let's say we wanna rotate it a bit. Awesome, that's great. So now we have to go to image, resize, and you're gonna wanna resize it to 112, which is the size of Twitch emotes, but I believe they will also resize it for you if you were to upload it. So we'll go try that out as well. But just in case, you could resize them all, 112, 56, and 28. It's very simple. You just repeat the process. But we have this resized to our 112, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to save it wherever you want to on your PC, and then we're gonna go upload it. So once you're on your emotes page, you're gonna go to this Twitch library. It's on the right side and you can upload a new emote. Twitch automatically resized the emote for us, so we don't have to do that ourselves on Paint. But if you didn't have this selected, I guess you'd have to do that easy. So we'll rename this TwoTapTroop, and there we go. So now that our emote is uploaded, we can go ahead and do that as many times as we want. As you can see, I have all these emotes here and I made them all the exact same way. So really, your imagination is the limit. I hope this little tutorial helped you. If it did, feel free to drop me a like. Emotes are a great way on Twitch to get your community involved and chatting and spread your name all through Twitch if you have really good emotes. So make sure you're creative and feel free to check me out on Twitch. Link is in the description. I'm there 4 days a week and I'd love to see you there.